In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online course with Teachable. Whether you're an educator, entrepreneur, or someone with a passion to share your expertise, Teachable provides a robust platform to seamlessly design and deliver your own online courses. Let's dive into the process. To kick things off, go ahead and navigate over to the admin sidebar. Here, you'll want to click on the Courses option. This is where you'll start laying the foundation for your new course. Once you're in the Courses section, you'll see a button labeled either New Course or Create Course. Give that a click to start bringing your vision to life. Now comes the part where creativity meets strategy, choosing a title and description for your course. The title is your course's first impression, so make it engaging and descriptive to grab potential students' attention. Complement that with a brief description that accurately encapsulates the core essence and benefits of what students can expect to learn. Next, you'll need to add a thumbnail page. This visual representation will serve as the course cover, allowing you to display something eye-catching and relevant to your content. If you don't have design skills, there are plenty of online tools to assist you with creating an appealing image. This step is crucial as it can significantly influence initial engagement with your course. Pricing is another key consideration. In Teachable, you have several options. You can set up a one-time purchase fee, establish a payment plan, opt for a subscription model, or even offer the course for free. If you need more time to determine the right pricing strategy, it's perfectly okay to skip this step for now and revisit it later. Once you've selected a price structure, enter the details including the amount, a name for the pricing plan, and a description if needed. This clarity ensures your students fully understand the financial commitment. With your course framework almost complete, it's time to outline your course content. Here you have the flexibility to generate an outline with AI assistance or create it manually. If you have multiple resources ready to go, there's a bulk upload option that lets you efficiently manage files and content. After fleshing out your outline, go ahead and click on the Finish button. But hold on, it's essential to review your settings before going live. Double check each setting to ensure everything is aligned with your vision. This includes course details, pricing, and the content. Once you've ensured all the pieces are in place and everything looks polished, it's time to hit that publish button. Congratulations, you've now created your own online course on Teachable. Remember, this is just the beginning. With your course live, you can now focus on promoting it, engaging with your students, and perhaps even starting your next educational project. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to share your knowledge with the world.